Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by e.l.f. Cosmetics and we are giving you a look that is a big mood, okay? So if you guys are interested in this makeup look and the magic behind this big mood mascara, please keep on watching. And before we jump into this look, make sure you guys subscribe, like this video so you don't miss any uploads. And again, shout out to our sponsor of the day, e.l.f. Cosmetics. Let's get it. So I got some goodies from e.l.f. I also got their Electric Mood collection. And we're just gonna create a makeup look. Starting off with the brows, I used my OG brow cream in Espresso. I also used the Bite Size Brow. This is a new product to me. And I used the shadow in this palette as well as the clear kind of brow gel to set my brow hairs. And I really like a good bold brow. I love using my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This is in the shade Deep Chestnut. This is definitely a holy grail concealer. I love carving out my brows with a flesh tone concealer because it gives it that natural look. So I like using this concealer to clean up my brows. Okay, so since we're using Electric Mood, we're gonna create an eye look that's giving electric, okay? Starting off using my e.l.f. Line and Defined eye tape. These strips are perfect for people who want the perfect like wing. So yes, I have these and it goes from the corner of my eye to the end of my brow. And I'm gonna lightly prime my lid with my concealer. So I'm blending that concealer out just to get a good base going, and I'm taking the Electric Mood X Tiana Feeling Lucky eyeshadow palette. I'm using the brown shades to create a nice little gradient. I'm going for a subtle like cut crease, glitter cut crease, but it's not really a cut crease. It's really just like a subtle but glam makeup look. So I'm taking this shadow, and y'all, this duochrome was amazing. I love how it turned out on my eye, and then I went back and forth into the brown shades to just deepen up the outer corner and give that a smoky look. Once you're done with the look, you can go ahead and remove the eye tape and clean up any excess glitter or fallout from your eyeshadow application and move into applying your base makeup. So I'm using my Rare Beauty primer to prime my skin. I always suggest priming the skin for longer wear of your makeup. Today I decided to apply my concealer first, which is the 16-Hour Camo Concealer, and I like doing this first sometimes just to kind of get my concealer tacky while I blend out the other things that I'm putting on my face. So I'm using my Huda Beauty Faux Filter foundation stick, and I'm blending it out with my oval complexion brush from e.l.f. So I'm just blending this foundation out again while my concealer is setting and kind of getting tacky, because that provides you with a fuller coverage concealer application. Now I'm going in with this concealer brush and just lightly blending out the concealer. As you can see, it's giving full coverage because we allowed it to get tacky, and so we're just blending it out with that brush. Next, we're taking the putty bronzer, and I'm using this to warm up my face. This shade is the perfect, just like instant warmth product that warms my face without like it looking like I super chiseled and contoured my face. I'm going to take a little bit of this and put it on the lid just to add to the glittery fun that we have going on. While we wait on that to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eye. Before I do anything else, I'm gonna use a powder bronzer and a face powder to set the rest of my face. You guys always ask me like what's the difference between setting powder and pressed powder, why do I use both? And I just feel like a nice pressed powder blends everything together and kind of finishes off the look. Before we finish off the face, I want to go ahead and do my lower lash shadow, and I'm just taking the same browns that we used in the crease under the eye and then smoking it out on the wing. And then I think we're going to intensify the inner corner. I think we should go with this gold. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. This technically is a brow and lash gel, but sometimes I like to use it as a primer for my mascara just to help build up my lashes. I had some lash extensions a little bit more than a month ago, and I did not properly take them off because I started filling them in with individual lashes, and then when they came out, they took my lashes with them. So it's very important to, you know, do as much as I can to get my natural lashes to pop. And with such a beautiful eye look that we created today, I don't want to take away from that glitter by adding like a super heavy lash. So what we're gonna do is use this clear lash gel to kind of prime the lashes, and then we're gonna go in with the star of the show, which is the e.l.f. Big Mood mascara. And so we're gonna start off by shimmying this up through my lashes, and after we do one coat, we are going to go downward with it. I'm gonna spin this fully to coat the lashes, and then back up. I love the applicator. Before I go in with another coat on the top lash, I'm gonna go ahead and attempt my bottom lashes, and I'm definitely using the Shield for this because I am terrible at lower lash mascara, and I'm kind of holding it perpendicular. Going upward. Go in with another coat, moving upward. My lower lash mascara has never looked this good, honey. Wow. All that time, that's the key, and nobody ever told me. All you gotta do is go upwards. Either that's the key to applying lower lash mascara, or I've been needing this mascara all my life. And no matter how many layers I'm adding, it's not giving clumpy, it's just giving full and voluminous. Wow, this is so pretty. What it says, this is a lip liner, and I love that it's a nice chocolatey brown. I love a good lip pencil. And then I also have from the Electric Mood collection, this is the Hydrating Balm, and it's in the shade Sweet Talk. This is pretty. It's such a subtle flush of color. Wow. And it's very hydrating. I do want to top it off with the Electric Mood lip gloss. That is all she wrote, honey. Okay. Let me spray my face and get some earrings, and I'll be right back. I just realized that I did not put any highlighter on, so I'm gonna do that really quickly. And for highlighter, I think I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier. This is their light catcher powder, and this is in the shade Cosmic Rose. Y'all better come on, somebody. I love it. Oh yes. A little bit, tip of the nose, a little bit, Bridgerton. My goodness, this is so beautiful. Wow. Okay, this look is a big mood, and that's on period. Shout out to e.l.f. for sponsoring this video. Also, shout out to the star of the show, the Big Mood Mascara, y'all. It's a whole mood, it's a whole vibe, and it's a look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me come up with this makeup look and seeing it transform. e.l.f. is coming for the girls, and she is affordable. I don't know how many times I can reiterate that e.l.f. is affordable. e.l.f. has a plethora of products that can work for you. Yes, you. So make sure you check out e.l.f. Check out the products I used today using the links in the description box below. If you enjoyed it and you watched till the end and you are here listening to the sound of my voice, that means you need to subscribe. If you are not subscribed already, subscribe to my channel, join the gym squad, like this video, and make sure you comment below to let me know what other videos you guys want to see on my channel. So I love y'all so very much, and never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you to full. Bye guys. It's Slim Reshae.